garage, I will be reviewing Hercules 20 volt brushless 4.5, 5-inch angle grinder. Let me be honest with you, I was never a Harbor Freight guy until, I don't know, 6 months ago. I've been going up to my brother-in-law's garage, and my nephew there, he uses nothing but Milwaukee, and those things are very expensive, but really impressive. So impressive that I wanted one, but I really wasn't going to spend that money. So I do have an air compressor, I do have pneumatic tools, and I don't really use them as much as I should because it's just annoying that the compressor always goes on. So for Christmas, my wife asked me, what would you like? And I said, you know what? I want an impact wrench. So Harbor Freight had a sale where you bought a battery and the Ultra Torque, which I think it was basically 190, which was incredible. It came with a battery. So I've used this a lot, and everything I've thrown at it, it's taken the bolt off, the nut off. Really impressive. So impressive that actually I started wanting more Harbor Freight Hercules tools. So one day I was there thinking to myself, you know what, what's the next tool I really can use on this project? And lo and behold, back up at the garage, my nephew had a cutoff wheel, Milwaukee Fuel, you know, the 3-inch cutoff wheel, cordless, brushless. I found out that they had one too, Hercules. I picked it up. Let me tell you, I love this. I use it every time I'm out here. It is that good. Is it the best? No. You just got to know how to use it. So this is what we're here for, the next purchase. This takes a 4.5-inch disc to a 5-inch disc. It is 20 volts, brushless. One thing, I thought it was messed up out of the box. I'm so used to the old corded angle grinders, like my DeWalt, which is over 25 years old. It just didn't sound right. Compared to my DeWalt. Well, did some more research, found out that this has a max RPM of 8,500 compared to the DeWalt, which is 12,000 RPMs. Big difference. But you know what? I gave it a shot. And I love it. I use it too, a lot. So, you know what? Enough talking. Let's have some fun. Okay, I put a basically cut-off wheel on this. I'm actually here going to section this piece out. I originally was going to save it, but to be honest with you, with the amount of AMD sheet metal out there, it doesn't pay. I mean, I still have little holes here, and to be honest with you, replacing the floor, I might as well do this too. Remember, protective gear. Let's have some fun.
life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback.
Alright guys, all done here. I cut the clips off, as you can see right here. It's not a terrible piece, but you know what? With what AMD makes now, you can't beat it. Initially, I started off with the angle grinder. I put a thinner disc on so I can make my cuts. And it turns out that the package of 5 I bought, which, you know, wasn't a great deal, but I just assumed they were thicker than these. The thinner ones really don't last, as you can see. Live and learn. I went through 3 discs right away with the initial cut down the length of this. Switched over to my cutoff wheel, which I love this. I recommend highly. It's such a great tool. Made the corner cuts, pretty much ground out, end up switching back to this, put the disc that came with it, ended up grinding a whole bunch of spot welds off this, which cut right through it, no problems. Didn't notice the battery getting hot or anything like that, which is great. I haven't really charged these batteries a lot. I assumed that I was going to be charging them a lot more, which I haven't. I'm impressed. My initial review and opinion of the angle grinder. Well, can't beat them. Even if I drop that, I don't think it would hurt it. Can't beat them. Can't beat them for the price. They get a 5-year warranty, and you know, Milwaukee has a warranty, which is fine, but for the price, big thumbs up. All right, guys, have a good night. I think it's time to go in.